What's up everybody, this is Travis with ATTY. Today I'm going to show you how to install the 10mm ADV kit to the Kylin Mini RTA. First thing, unscrew the device counterclockwise, and then you want to remove the glass piece from the top section. Next, find the stainless steel rings that are included with your package. You'll see that one side's indented and the other side has an O-ring installed. The indented side will go towards the top of your tank. Next, get the other stainless steel ring and put the indentation towards the bottom of the tank. You'll just set that on the L-shaped O-ring and hold it in place. Set your 33mm glass on the stainless steel ring. You'll put the chimney inside the glass, make sure you don't cross thread, and then start turning clockwise. Be sure to like and subscribe. Our website is www.inkedaddy.com. We have a form submission on the website where you can submit what products you would like to see from ATTY. Thanks for watching and have a great day.